Have you ever wondered how a simple butcher from Turkey could revolutionize the steakhouse scene internationally? Well, wonder no more, as we delve into the intriguing tale of Nusr-Et, better known as Salt Bae, and his culinary empire, Nusr-Et. From humble beginnings as a 16-year-old butcher, Nusr-Et has managed to turn the world of steakhouses on its head. Despite the initial skepticism about a steakhouse import from Turkey, especially in a city like Dubai brimming with top-notch steakhouses, Nusr-Et has managed to carve a niche for itself. How, you ask? Well, our protagonist, despite his limited proficiency in English, has an uncanny ability to connect with his customers. He doesn't just drop by tables for a cursory greeting. Instead, he takes charge of the dining experience, recommending dishes with a passion that only comes from someone who truly knows their food. Take, for instance, the beef carpaccio starter. Nusr-Et doesn't just serve it, he transforms it into an experience. The dish arrives on a massive platter, and the waiter rolls the slivers of beef with a Parmesan crisp, rocket, and olive oil, then slices it into generous rolls. It's a delightful mingling of flavors and textures that make you question why you ever had carpaccio any other way. Even the seemingly bland quinoa gets a makeover at Nusr-Et. Bursting with chunks of pumpkin, avocado, cherry tomatoes, and orange segments, the quinoa salad is a vibrant medley of flavors that will make you rethink this overrated superfood. But let's not forget the star of the show, the steak. While there have been speculations about Nusr-Et's marinade ingredients, he maintains that his steaks, whether Australian beef or Japanese Kobe Wagyu, are simply charcoal grilled with a sprinkle of sea salt and ground pepper. The result? A succulent, mouth-watering cut that melts in your mouth and leaves you yearning for more. Nusr-Et's journey hasn't been without controversy, though. From a short-lived venture in New York that sold $99 gold milkshakes to allegations of discrimination, the brand has seen its share of highs and lows. Yet it continues to expand, with the recent opening of Salt Bae Burger at Istanbul International Airport, further cementing the brand's international presence. So, what's the secret to Nusr-Et's success? It's simple. It's the passion and commitment of a man who started as a butcher and built a global brand. It's about understanding the essence of food and transforming it into an experience. It's about breaking the norms and daring to be different. And above all, it's about sprinkling a dash of love, or in Nusr-Et's case, a dash of salt, on everything you do. In conclusion, Nusr-Et's story is a testament to the power of passion, innovation, and resilience. From a 16-year-old butcher to an international culinary sensation, his journey is a reminder that with the right ingredients, anyone can cook up success. So the next time you find yourself in Dubai or Istanbul, don't forget to stop by Nusr-Et. You might just get to experience the Salt Bae magic yourself.